consonants and vowels are written as single blocks to form syllables. For vowels with a vertical stroke, the initial consonant goes on the left, and the final consonant goes at the bottom. For vowels with a horizontal stroke, the initial consonant goes on top, and the final consonant goes at the bottom. Each consonant has a name formed by adding e after and before the consonant itself. The consonant in the initial position has no sound value and is used when a syllable starts with a vowel. Unlike the basic pattern, 기역, 디귿, and 시옷 are exceptions. There are 14 basic consonants, and their order in the dictionary is 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗.